Today I'll use this 427 German marks e-bike for food delivery. This is the whole e-bike. This is the battery for an e-bike, and it's ChamRider latest model. Click the button to check the battery level. This battery is 48 volts to 7 Ah. Now, on the other side of the battery, you can see this is the key part of the battery. First step before driving, turn on the power, then secure the battery. Let's go, deliver food with this e-bike. Okay, pick up my takeout bag. Put on my helmet. The new 427 German marks comes with a rear frame and fenders. This is a post-molded clay tablet, one more front drag mud. First, turn on our meter. It shows gear 0 initially. I usually prefer driving in the 3rd gear. This is our twist grip. This throttle grip is free as an accessory. Of course, without installing it, you can only use the pedals for assisted riding. You can see the motor assist enables quick acceleration. I usually use the twist grip to speed it up, makes driving simpler. Now you can see this is my 3rd gear. Top speed reaches 33 km per hour. Let's pick up the takeout our customer needs today. Arrived at the meal collection location for today. First, turn off the power supply. Now the battery is locked. You can see, it can't be removed at the moment. To remove it, first unlock this latch. After unlocking the battery, you can take it down without effort. Our latest battery. The controller is directly integrated into our battery base. Now let's lock it first. Lock up and go get our takeout. Alright, let's start with our first order today. Start our money-making journey today. Reactivate the battery power. It still remains in the 5th gear used previously. Twist the throttle and speed ahead. Delivered, and the order is complete.